Welcome to Amazon interview questions and answers for freshers. So the first question is, what is AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It is a comprehensive cloud computing platform provided by Amazon that offers a wide range of services such as computing, power, storage, database management, networking, and many more. Second question is, what are the main components of AWS? AWS consists of various services and components, but some of the key ones include Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. It provides virtual servers in the cloud. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service. It offers scalable object storage for file and data. Amazon RDS, Relational Database Services. It provides managed relational databases. Amazon VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. It provides you to provision a logical isolated sections of the AWS cloud. What is the difference between Amazon S3 and EC2? Amazon S3 is a storage service that provides object storage for files and data, while Amazon EC2 is a computing service that provides virtual servers for running applications and services. In other words, S3 is for storing data while EC2 is for running applications. Next question. What is the difference between S3 and EBS? Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service is an object storage service used for storing and retrieving data, large amount of data, whereas Amazon EBS Elastic Block Service or Elastic Block Store provides persistent block level storage volume that can be attached to Amazon EC2 instances. Next question, what is an EC2 instance? An EC2 instance is a virtual server that is provided by Amazon EC2. It can be used to run applications and services in the cloud. Next question, what is an S3 bucket? An S3 bucket is a container for storing object, file, and data. In Amazon S3, it is like a folder on a computer, but with the added ability to store data redundantly across multiple servers for high availability and durability. What is an IAM user? IAM role. What is an IAM role? An IAM, identity and access management role, is a set of permissions that can be assigned to an AWS user or service to control their access to AWS resources. It is used to ensure that users or services only have access to the resources that they need. What is a VPC? A VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, is a private network within AWS that is isolated from the public internet. It is used to create a private, secure environment for running applications and services. What are the different types of instances in EC2? EC2 instances come in various types, each optimized for different use cases. Some common types include general purpose T2 micro, compute optimized C5 large, memory optimized RX large, R5 X X large GPU instances, P3 2x large storage optimized, I3 large. Next question. What is auto scaling? Auto scaling is a feature in AWS that automatically scale the number of EC2 instances based on the demand for the applications or services. It can be help ensure that the application or service is always available and responsive even during period of high traffic. Explain the concept of auto scaling in AWS. Auto scaling is a feature in AWS that allows you to automatically adjust the number of EC2 instances based on the demand. It helps ensure that you always have the right amount of computing resources, scaling up during high traffic and scaling down during low traffic, thereby optimizing cost and maintaining performance. What is elastic load balancing? Elastic load balancing is a feature in AWS that distributes incoming traffic across multiple EC2 instances. It can help ensure that the application or service is always available, responsive even during periods of high traffic. What is the purpose of an AWS load balancer? An AWS load balancer evenly distributes incoming network traffic across multiple EC2 instances to improve the availability and fault tolerance of your application. It helps in distributing the load, preventing any single instance from becoming overloaded. What is Route 53? Route 53 is a DNS domain name system service provided by AWS. It is used to route incoming requests to the appropriate AWS resource based on the domain name or URL of the request. What is CloudFormation? CloudFormation is a service in AWS that allows you to create and manage AWS resources using template. It can help automate the process of setting up and configuring AWS resources. How can you secure data at rest in AWS? AWS provides several services for securing data at rest, such as using Amazon S3 server-side encryption encrypts data stored in S3 bucket. Using AWS Key Management Service manages encryption key for other AWS services and applications. Using Amazon EBS encryption encrypts data on EBS volumes attached to EC2 instances. What is the AWS Lambda service? AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service that allows you to run your code without provisioning or managing servers. It enables you to build applications using microservices architecture and execute functions in response to events or API calls. What are the different types of databases provided by AWS? AWS offers various database services include Amazon RDS managed relational database, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, etc. Amazon DynamoDB NoSQL database for low latency scalable applications. Amazon Redshift fully managed data warehousing services. Amazon MongoDB, fully managed MongoDB compatible database. Amazon Aurora, MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational databases.